In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to unblock blocked websites on Google Chrome. Start by opening Google Chrome on your computer. Once Chrome is open, move to the top right corner of the browser window and click the three-dot menu. From that menu, click Settings. On the left-hand side, you will see a navigation panel with different categories. Click Privacy and Security. This section contains the controls related to how Chrome handles website permissions, security behavior, and browsing protection. After that, click Site Settings. In that section, click Insecure Content. Once you are on the Insecure Content page, look for the section labeled Not Allowed to Show Insecure Content. In that list, find the website that has been blocked. Take a moment to confirm that it is the correct site, especially if you have multiple entries saved here. Next to the website address, click the three dots. A small menu will appear. From that menu, select Remove. Removing the website from this blocked list tells Chrome to stop applying that specific restriction from the Insecure Content section. After you remove it, you can go back to the website and refresh the page. In many cases, the site should now load without that same block in place. If it does not update right away, try reopening the tab or restarting Chrome so the change can fully take effect. That covers everything you need to know.